Another time I said that there are so many traits, Swamiji. I feel I want to see myself as a beautiful flower with so many good qualities. But many times I find that I am slipping from that. Say my mother is telling me something, I have not listened. I was young at that time, and if my mother says a second time, maybe I have argued with her. And then later I feel that, oh, why did I argue? Or maybe with a friend, some discussions have taken place and it was unpleasant. So, this kind of question. So the reply was that whatever undesirable traits you find in you, all these undesirable traits, you constantly tell them that you don't want them. Don't want them. It's very, very difficult to remove those traits, A person is procrastinating. It's very difficult. A person is very irritable. Each and everything will irritate that person. I think that person gets up in the morning grumbling about something or other. So, to change that habit is difficult. But unless we change, we cannot progress also on this path. The mind has to become clearer and clearer and clearer.